how to create new story on your profile account on Wattpad PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to wattpad.com and log into your account or create one. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here and click on write. Click on it and you will find create a new story from here. Click on it, and here as you can see, add the title of the story, the description, the characters, the category, tags, and the language, and the audience, copyright, and the ratings, as you can see. And here add the cover, and then all what you have to do is click here after you finish, and here as you can see you will be able to write the story, for example story 1, and here add the text or the videos if you want. And yeah, for example test story, and after you finish click publish from here, or you can just save it until you finish it. It's very easy as you can see. For example, I'm gonna publish it like this. Click publish and click again publish. For example, let's choose from here I need to add title story 1, description story of a boy, yeah, Jacob, and click publish. Let's see, I think I need to add some tags, boy, adventure, category fantasy, for example. Oh, I need to add more informations, as you can see. Anyway, all what you have to do is click publish and it's gonna be there. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.